Okay everybody, so I have here modeled in our 1x6 wood and with our tabs. So the idea here, this is a side view here, obviously we've got our concrete right here and we're looking down at this angle. I've got these drawn in at 30 degrees. Currently that can change if you guys want. But the idea currently that we talked about, this piece, and I'll show you in the 3D, is 4 inches wide by 3/4 inches into it by, 10 gauge. And the idea here that we talked about is that this is dadoed out, and so this whole piece of wood comes in from the top and slides down onto this, and that's it. Okay, so from the 3D view, it's going to look like that, and that's it. Just the wood slides down, boop, right on top of that, and that's it. Now, as far as the complicated miters at the top here, we've got some kind of deciding of what to do. I've got it all modeled in how these miter cuts will need to look, and if you want, I can actually digitally calculate these cuts for you so that you don't, if you want, so that you don't have to sit there and figure it out. So I can actually draft those out and get you a drawing for exactly how those cuts need to be. But here's kind of what I came up with. So on this side, so I'll hide these boards. Don't mind the 3D, it's a little over the top. But on this side, we've got our regular tabs. And so what I'm thinking is on this side, we'll just bring in a tab that lines up perfectly with our layout, but has a hole in it. So for these last 4, that wood will come in, trying to illustrate that it does line up, that will come in from the bottom. So we'll shove it up from the bottom, each piece, and then maybe do like a 3/8 of an inch, just a 3/8 hole right there. So then just maybe have, I don't know, like a 3/8 of an inch dowel that goes through there of the same wood so that it's seamless. Okay, so that when you're looking at it, this piece, this piece, this piece, and this little scab piece come in from the bottom. Okay, it's kind of just an idea. I don't know what you guys think. This is just kind of getting the conversation started. And then this one will need to have something special. This one will need to come from the bottom because it is going to end up hitting our steel if we try and take it from the top. So this one will also need to come from the bottom, and then obviously the foremost one will need to get dealt with in a creative way. So yeah, that's kind of what we've got going so far. Let me know what you guys think.